Yep, that's me on a motorbike. So hi, hooked on a motorbike to see the longest graffiti wall in Africa. So let's go. Hey y'all, I'm Diva. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and turn your notification on to keep up with me. And please engage me in the comments, okay? So, uh, so let's go. This visually pleasing hut is Africa's longest graffiti, and it's in the commercial capital city of the Republic of Benin in Cotonou, West Africa. It doubles as an art museum and a tourist site. And guess what? It stretches over, no, not over, but close to 1,000 meters long. And 40 different graffiti artists from all over the world came together to make this project come to life. And this project praise Ome and shows the essence of being an ancient kingdom of the Ome. I'm sure you've seen the movie The Woman King. It's an Hollywood movie starring Viola Davis. I think it was released in 2022, I guess. Yeah, yeah. And it's really a nice movie. You can go check it out. It's a movie that tells the story of the ancient Daome kingdom, the woman king. So you can go check it out. The ancient Daome kingdom is present day Cotonou, and this is Cotonou. So while you check out this beauty, do not forget to like and comment, and you can also check out my other videos. If you like this, then you like my other videos, and you can tell me where next you want me to go in Cotonou, yeah, or West Africa or Africa or anywhere else. Just let me know. Okay, thanks for watching.